everyone. My name is Sai Neeraj. I'm here to share very good news that recently I have landed my dream job in the UK as a data analyst. I would say with the constant support from Fortray, I'm able to land this job. Initially, one of my friends suggested me about Fortray, so then I joined Fortray. Fortray initially provided me with skill development program. I have learned skills like Excel, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Python. Then, after learning these skills, I'm able to develop projects on my own on these skills. And Fortray has moved me from learning skills team to next team, which is interview training. So there, Fortray has provided me a mentor where we used to have face-to-face sessions every week. A mentor will give constant training to me on interview preparation, what kind of questions that can be asked in an interview, how to perform better in an interview. All these things Fortray is to provide me with the mentor session. After completing mentor sessions, Fortray has given LinkedIn support. Fortray has given resume support, and Fortray also started applying jobs for me. And I have started applying jobs. At the end, with the constant support from Fortray, I'm able to land my dream job in the UK as a data analyst, and I'm really excited about this opportunity. With the constant help from Fortray, I would say I'm able to crack this interview and get the job. I would really recommend Fortray to whoever the new aspirants are. So, if you want to land a job in the UK, in respect to fields like cybersecurity, data analytics, data science, whatever the course that Fortray is offering you, you will have more chance of getting job with the help of Fortray. And I'm really excited that I have recently got an opportunity as a data analyst, and I would really recommend Fortray to whoever the people want to land jobs in the UK. Fortray is the right place. They provide with constant interview preparations, constant training, project support, mentorship, everything all covered in one plan. Fortray is the right place to learn job in the UK. Thank you.